girl Beyonce, and welcome back to another episode of me cooking. So today I'm gonna be cooking. Today I'm gonna be cooking spaghetti for my siblings. So keep watching. So right now I'm putting some water to boil with salt and oil. I'm about to chop some onions right now. And here's the ground beef, carne molida. You're using this to chop it fast. Oh. Oh. Oh my god, the shit is real. Oh. So this is how it looks right now. We're about to heat up this with the onions. Yeah. About to put the onions there. Ooh. Some oil. Above this, just to give it some flavor. If I any spaghetti, I only have one pad, but we're like full, so I'm gonna use this. Oh yeah, one packet goes. You gotta start moving here, a little bit cooking left, and then we add this. This is already done. Add this. Add the whole thing in there. Woo! The whole thing happened in there. Well, that's cooking. I'll catch y'all when I put the spaghetti sauce. Here's the spaghetti boiling already. I'm adding seasoning. Of course I'm adding seasoning to the meat. So what are we adding will be some adobo. Adobo here. The best salt. And now we'll be adding next will be this ragu old-fashioned traditional sauce for this meat. I'm about to add this in there. Now you're meat. You enjoy.